Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we're doing another resin video. You guys really seem to have enjoyed the last one, so I thought it would be fun to show you guys how I did this customized coaster order. There's a link in the description box to my Etsy store if you all are interested in potentially purchasing anything that I do make. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into this. So how this order came about is someone contacted me and let me know that there were certain colors that they wanted for coasters. So that's what I'm doing today. The colors are mostly yellow and gray, but I wanted to, put some white into it just to balance everything out. So I mixed all of these colors off camera, and they all have some type of glitter in it. I'll leave a link below to everything that I did use. And as you can see, I'm starting with the gray first. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into 4 of the molds and proceed from there. Okay, so the next color I'm going in with is the yellow, and I didn't really do this in any particular order. I did do like a test coaster for them, and that's the one that you see in the screen to figure out if that's what they wanted and if they wanted to modify it in any way, shape, or form. And then I just kind of went from there. So yeah. Okay, so even though I started this on the first coaster, I did go in with the white and put that into the center of the mold. And yeah, while we're here, I just wanted to go ahead and apologize for the horrible lighting. The day I did this, it had actually been like raining the entire week, and I've typically been making some of my resin creations outside on our balcony, but we don't have a covered balcony, so I had to do this inside. And I just didn't feel like pulling out my ring light, and I was watching TV at the same time. So I mean, it's not 100% terrible lighting, but still terrible lighting nonetheless. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm just taking one of the wooden sticks and just kind of swirling the design around, because I didn't want the other side to look just like, 3 separated colors. So I did this so that it can give some type of effect when it 100% cures, and it'll just look way better. Okay, so in this clip, I'm just going with my heat gun and popping as many bubbles as I can as possible. And then of course, after that, I'll go ahead and spray it with rubbing alcohol to get rid of any smaller bubbles that the heat gun can't necessarily get rid of. Okay, so this is what the coasters look like after sitting for about an hour or so. So after letting it cure for some time is when I decided I was going to go ahead and put in the last layer. I put on an additional layer just because it doesn't always fill up the mold. So this is just going to be clear resin with some glitter mixed into it, and I'll have the glitter linked in the description box below because I did get it from Etsy. It's so pretty. But this particular individual wanted a lot of bling, so I wanted to make sure that I delivered. So in these next few clips, you're just going to see me topping off each mold with the glitter clear topping, and then I'm going to go in with my heat gun, and then I'm going to go back in with the popsicle sticks just to smooth everything out, and then yeah, we'll be almost done. Okay, so here's how they look the next day after fully curing for 24 hours. They came out so nice. And of course, I think probably one of the most satisfying things that a lot of people like to watch is the demolding of all of this. Is it demolding or unmolding? I can't even figure it out. But this is the test coaster that I was telling you guys about. Just wanted to see what they wanted, and of course after seeing this they thought it was pretty. However, they wanted some more bling. So in these final coasters, of course, I made sure I did deliver, and I think you guys will like the outcome as well. These came out so nice. I almost want to do this again. So of course, if anybody wants the same design, feel free to hit your girl up, send me a message. I'll be glad to make these all over again, because again, they just came out so pretty. I don't even know what to call it, but they just came out so nice, and the customer 100% loved them. So I mean, if somebody wants the same coaster, just let me know. Alright guys, that is all that I have for you all today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you thumb it up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next time, I will see you guys later. Bye!